Hello, good evening. All right. We will continue with where we left off yesterday. Alright, these are some questions. So today we just look at some questions on problem solving on indices. Okay. So some of these questions that we're going to discuss, all right, does not use the law that we have seen earlier on. So this is from exercise 4.1. So this is question number 1B. Okay, now let's say you're given a question like this. The question says simplify. Now, there's a minus here. So that means you are not able to use the law that we saw yesterday, the few laws of indices. So what you can actually do is you will actually use the concept of, okay, we'll do this. Okay, we break this up into two relevant terms. Okay, so here this is 7b. Now here the 7b and the 7b here, so I'll actually factorize it. So 7 minus 1 over 7b. Okay, so what will happen now is there's one here and one term here which is similar, so we can actually cancel off. So now what will be left is 7 to the power of 3. So this one becomes 1 over 7 squared. And this is 1. Okay. So we open up the bracket. So this is actually 1 over 7. This times this means it is 3 plus 2 minus this times this, 1 over 7 to the power of 3. So what we'll actually get is 1 over 7 to the power of 5 minus 7 3. So this is how we simplify it. Okay, all right. So there's one more question here. I'd like you to try similar question in this form. All right. So this is number 1 question under question 1. So question 1 is simplify. Okay. Next, move on to one more question. Okay. Now let's see the question. This is question 3 under the same exercise 4.1. Okay. So it's on page 92. So the question wants us to prove. Prove, not solve. So proof means we have got the left hand side and the right hand side. So I'll take the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the left hand side, solve it, and then or simplify it to show that it is the same as your right. So I'll just take this, just write this down, minus 2. Okay, so we try to break this up into two terms, negative 2. So what you'll actually get is 4 to the power of 3, and that's an A, times 1 over 4 squared. So 4 to the power of 3 is 64, and that's an A. This is times 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Okay, so it's the same as my right hand side. So that is proving concept. Right? Okay. Alright, this is question number 4 under the same exercise. The question says, show that this term is divisible by 7. Alright, so they want us to show that. So this is for all positive integers of x. Okay, so what we will do is same method, which is 4x, 4 to the power of 2, 4x, 4 to the power 1, plus this is 4x. So now what I'll do is, you see all the 4x's, 4 to the power x, I'll factorize it. So this is 4 to the power of 2. This is already out. So this is 4 to the power 1 plus 1. So what you'll actually get is, this is 16 plus 4 plus 1, which gives you 21. Okay, meaning this term 21 for x is actually divisible by 7, because 21 you divide it by 7, you actually get 3. Okay, so this is how we show that. All right, one more question. Skill practice, self practice 4.2. This is page 94. Okay, question 1a. The question wants you to solve the following equations. All right, so first thing first, you want to solve means find the value of x. So I'll actually apply the same method. This is 4 to the power negative 1. This is 8x, 8 to the power of 3. So what you can do is bring all the base with similar index to one side. So I'll bring this down here. So this will be 8 to the power of 3 over 4 to the power of 1. Okay, all right. Now 4 to the power x, 8 to the power x. Now this can be written as this. Okay, and on this side, 8 to the power of 3. This is still 4 to the power of negative 1. Okay, so this becomes 1 over 2x. Okay, what we can do down here is 8 to the power of 3. I'll do this. Okay, now this is over, this is actually 1 over 4, right? So 8, 8, 8. So this is divide, means it becomes times 4 over 1, right? Okay, so 1 over 2x, this can be written as this. So 2 to the power negative x. So you'll get 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So this is 2 to the power of 3 for every 8. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 of this. Right? Okay, times 2 to the power of 2. So 2 negative x. This will be 9. And there's a 2 here. So you get 2 to the power of 11. So negative x is 11. X is negative 11. Okay? Alright. Thank you.